Hi. Good morning and welcome to one of our favorite places in the state of Utah. If you're new to the channel, my name is Seth and Scarlet and I have lived in a van for 5 years with our 2 cats, Lula and this little lady right here, Sasha. Over the last couple weeks, we have been exploring right along the Arizona-Utah border, and we last left you over in Monument Valley. So if you missed that, make sure to go watch last week's video. We are posting weekly. So in case you want to keep up with us in our travels, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit that little post notification button so you don't miss out on any videos that we post. Today we're in the beautiful area of Escalante. We're actually camped on some free BLM land out here. We did actually recently come from Moab, which neither of us were a big fan of. We like this area a lot more than Moab, and that might fire some people up, but sorry about it. Sasha's been out here with me patiently waiting while I make my little coffee to take a walk. So I am going to go ahead and walk her and get her little day started here. Come on. Go ahead. Come here. Sasha, lay down. Good girl. Good girl. Free. Sasha's little training has been going so well. I am trying to get her to a place where she can walk a little more comfortably off leash. So we've been working on the command lay down, which basically we just tell her to lay down and she lays down, and then you can go clip the leash in, and then free, which lets her know that she can keep going and wander, and this kind of keeps her in check so that we can stay with her at all times and she doesn't ever get too far away. Most of the time we keep the ladies on leash and are pretty much always monitoring them, but I do love to give Sasha a little bit of freedom because she does love to run around and play her little games when she's off leash. It's so cute. Hello. Oh, she's sprinting. She seems really fascinated by these cliffs as well. Sasha, where are you taking me? Anyway, that's what me and Sasha have been working on recently as far as training goes. We sometimes use treats. We sometimes just kind of give her a little nudge. She really likes attention and affection, so a lot of the times you can kind of reward her with just that. But honestly, every cat is different, and we've tried to do some outdoor training with Lula as well, and it really hasn't worked out the same way. So I think Sasha just has the right mindset to be a adventure cat, and I'm so excited she gets to live in a van. I know we get comments all the time about how it's animal abuse to keep cats in a van, and I just don't see how she could live any other way and be happy, honestly. It's so cool to see her. So fulfilled. So fulfilled. Come here. Oh my gosh. Look at what I just found. He's a little dog booty. Must have been back here for a while, but we're gonna pick that up so no litter. Come on, lady. Let's go. Back home. No, this way. This way. That's good. Go home. Good girl. Before we go in and get everyone up, I want to show you all the campsite real quickly. We have this nice little pull through here. We're close to the road, which this is a super well maintained BLM road, by the way. And we actually have this huge area over here. I was making coffee out there this morning. We got our fire pit right here. We've got this whole kind of rocky area that the ladies really love to romp around in. Honestly, everything you could ask for in a campsite. Good morning. You want some breakfast tacos?
Yeah.
We happen to be very low on groceries once again, and water. So we definitely need to do some errands. And I think today we're going to do a hike. So sorry to turn the channel here into like a bit of a hiking channel. Hopefully you guys are somewhat enjoying that. Ah, the potatoes are done. For that, we got to fuel up some breakfast tacos. Listen to those boys. For breakfast this morning, we've got some actually pretty stacked breakfast tacos for how low we are on food. This is a lentil and pinto bean kind of meat substitute, if you will. Some just egg, some vegan cheese, and a couple little sauces on there. Here you are, ma'am.
Oh, thank you.
Really love these Inu chairs, by the way. The setup and teardown is a little intense, honestly, compared to some other chairs, but they're super comfortable. One of the things I've been doing for the last several years that has been really, really cool is adding little spots like this that we really love to my Google Maps. Scarlet and I have actually visited 48 states in the US and 3 other countries as well in a van. I have this Google map that has a bunch of locations all on it. This spot definitely made the cut, so I'm just adding that before we leave so that if we're ever in the area again, we know this spot, the coordinates, and we can come back out here. Now that the site is all packed up, it's time to say goodbye and head off to the trailhead. She likes that. Oh, ladies! All freaking day. You want to back into one of these? Okay, this hike does happen to be in a paid area. So it's a $5 day use fee. Always pay your fees, people. Just using up the last bit of the water tank over here.
All right, y'all, this is the hiking fit for today. I'm trying to incorporate some more colors into my wardrobe. So we've got the neon green. This is from Free People Movement. And then we've got these shorts, which are from Gymshark. And then these are my favorite bars that I have ever found. They're Kind Thins, dark chocolate, nuts, and sea salt. I'm going to bring like 6 of these. I'm just going to bring the whole thing because they're so good. Something about them. They're so good.
We got the ladies all situated. It's nice and dark in here. Just one backpack today. It's only a 6-miler, so we got 3 liters of water between the 2 of us, which should be good to go. Are you peeing right now?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Without further ado, you ready?
Bye, ladies.
Water break?
Water break.
Whew.
So heavy.
We were just talking about how cool it is that like you hike through this desert gulch area and then you kind of come out into all this green and this crazy waterfall. This has to be like 60, 70 feet tall.
Probably one of my favorite desert hikes in general. I mean, to like come out at a waterfall is really cool. You going in?
I'm going in. Wish me luck.
That was some cold water. I think the only water we've been in that's colder than that is probably Blue Pool in Oregon. The ladies are rising from their slumber. And from here, I guess we got some chores.
Water, food, gas.
I feel like every single time we make a video, we have to like go food shopping, we have to go get gas, we have to get groceries. Chop chop, here we go. Onward and forward.
Yes, we're gonna drive. Excuse me, ladies. Excuse me. Okay.
Okay, all right.
Got 2 floor ladies.
Yeah, for real.
I can't imagine having an animal bigger than them. The 2 of them.
I know.
Like a dog.
I know. A dog would just take up the entire
Floor.
vehicle.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi. What an absolute beauty.
Always show interest in becoming a DMD.
All filled up. We just actually pulled up to this little church right here, and they have a water fountain and a free water spigot that is marked on iOverlander. Right now we're just trying to get the van situated. Our water fill is right over here on this corner of the van. All right, filled up on water. We still don't have any food. I don't know what I'm gonna cook tonight. We don't go food shopping.
Well, we have to go food shopping.
Scarlet's hype. She just found mashed potatoes.
The stuffing with mashed potatoes.
It was only $50, which actually isn't bad for food these days. 18 minutes from the spot. We also got a soda, which is Scarlet's specialty for when she's dehydrated. Soda
I'm
to share.
definitely dehydrated. I drank so little water on that hike. Is it cold?
Oh, it's good.
Oh.
She hits.
Oh, Chunkles is out. Chunkles is out.
Hey.
Naked. She's out naked. We've got a naked rat.
Fun fact, this is actually the exact same spot that we stayed in a different vehicle at the time 2 years ago while we were traveling through this same area. We're super psyched to be back. It's so nice to be camped in a forest again. This is an oddly reminiscent video for us because we're doing a lot of the same things that we did a few years ago while we were in this area. But it is really cool to come back with a different perspective now that we're actually like in the van full-time traveling. I'm just excited to be able to camp here, and it's free, which is just the best. All right, Sasha, we're going to walkie? Let's go on a walkie. Come on. Woo!
Wait, you want dinner? No, down. Down. Sit. Good girl.
It's about time to get started on dinner here. Okay, come on. It's very hot, thanks, sir. For dinner tonight, we have these stuffed sweet potatoes, which I guess they're not really stuffed, but they're like topped with different things. We have a couple variations. We have this green sauced one with some chickpeas and some spinach, some other stuff on there. And then we have these bean topped ones with beans, red peppers, and a little bit of cheese. And unfortunately, couldn't find any vegan cheese, so we're using just this regular mozzarella. Ooh. The topping. Oh yeah, dude. A little messy looking, but these are gonna be good.
Chunkles is rolling.
Gosh, I love when she rolls. Hello, is this thing on? Headed to bed, winding down. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video down below. And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.